Well, everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. There's James. He's happy to see you too.
What's up? Beautiful Thursday.
Beautiful Thursday. Hey, everybody, we got a good show for you today because we're taking all this scrap metal. See if you can see that's empty. Got all the scrap metal in here. We're going to take it down to the scrap yard. We got a job in LeClaire. We got a job in Village of East Davenport. We got a job in Davenport. Lots of stuff going on, so let's get to it here.
She was heavy.
All right, everybody, this is a first roll ShaneManTV. We hit exactly 2,000 pounds on the money. So 130 in that time, we got paid 130 bucks. So all in all, not too bad. Let's go get to work and make some more money.
It's all in game.
All right, everybody, we are at our first stop. And, well, basically, I was told it's going to be a quarter to half a truck, and it's going to be a whole truck. So we're going to take what we can now and come back later, but it kind of screws up our whole schedule. So all this has got to go. All this has got to go. All there's got to go. James pulled all this down from that side. All that's got to go. And then there's stuff in the house. Big pieces of copper piping. That makes me so happy. The what?
The chain.
Oh yeah.
I want to keep looking at that like who was hanging wood in there.
Yeah, this chain does too.
Copper here?
What? Ooh. Keep it coming. It's like the casino.
I'm working on it. Money. Are these window screens going?
He said everything. Holy crap, this thing is heavy. This thing's full of air.
Oh, helium.
Helium! Metal all over this place. Oh.
If we do this right, we can get all the garage in here.
Okay, if you say so.
You don't believe me?
Nope. Yep. 1 battery, 2 battery, 3 battery, 4 battery. Who knows? 5 battery. Insane. Insane in the membrane. There we go. You know where that's going, right?
See these?
Yeah. How about Big Mouth Billy Bass?
Huh?
Big Mouth Billy Bass.
Here. Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, I can feel the metal's warm. Absolutely. Let's see if we can figure out how to get this chain down. Holy crap, it's hooked up to the rafters.
That's what I said, right here. And then go up over.
That's a massive chain. right, guys. I don't know how it looks to you, but the truck's pretty full. I don't know how the hell we got that full, and it still looks like there's, I don't know. I'm burnt out. I'm not feeling well. Thank God James has taken over. Check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 batteries. What do you think that's going to be for scrap money, huh? Anyway, we're going to take this load to the scrapyard, to the landfill, come back and get another load. So far, we got paid 500 bucks for this truckload. All right, guys, we just finished up at the landfill. We're here right now. James is in paying the bill. And, you know, I see value in a lot of stuff, and I don't really consider myself a hoarder, but I really feel like this is a hoarder's garage. There was so much stuff in there that's just has no value, you know. Just, I'm going to save this 2x4, I'm going to save this piece of cedar siding. It's just so much of it. And I'm fighting something. I am definitely sick. I don't know what I've got, but you keep pushing through, and I am just so tired right now. But anyway, I'm just kind of rambling. Sorry. All right, what we got?
We got record pace today, 3,680 pounds.
Wow.
Which is $64.40. And so anybody who doesn't know, which I just found out, there's a restroom down here that is accessible to people outside.
Oh.
So if you ever gotta go to the bathroom, vending machines or anything like that.
There it is, huh?
Yeah.
Good to know. All right, guys, we're back here at the clean out. Got the sofa and chair out. We kind of got to clean up this general area here and get that vanity cabinet out of here too. And then there's a mattress and a area rug in here we got to get rid of. So that's what's next. Nailed it. Look at this guy. Next up is this storm door, this slab of whatever it is, and this cardboard.
Did you scrap this door or no?
No, scrap it. No, it's
Garbage.
Garbaggio.
I didn't even put mine on the other one. This one I'll put in, and the other two we'll put bags in.
What do you think about that?
Because you're going scrap, that's going to the scrap.
Yeah, so what are you thinking about? Just cutting it once or what?
I'm thinking about not cutting it at all.
Think it'll fit?
That's what I was wondering if you had a tape measure, because it's close.
Let's move it over by the box.
How close are we?
No, we're off. If we cut the night, we're gonna need to cut it one spot. Zoom or there. So. All right, everybody, we are here at the scrapyard, and this is the load that we got, the second load from that house clean out. And a lot of metal on the back end here we're going to get rid of. All the batteries are here. We're going to try and get rid of them today too. We are running out of time, so I'm going to get this taken off as quick as we can, and we'll come back and talk about what we got paid. All right, everybody, I got some good news and some bad news. Scrap went from $130 to $100 in that ton. So we only got paid $94.82. The batteries were $41. So still $94 for scrap metal that I got paid to haul away. Let's talk a little bit about what we got paid. All right, everybody, let's talk about what we got paid for this job. First of all, this job was supposed to be an hour, quarter to a half a truck. You saw what we loaded up. I don't know where she got the idea that it was going to be that small of an amount. But anyway, it is what it is. Had I known there was going to be as much work as there was, I would have got help from the college kids, but I didn't know. And once we got into it, I got sick. and I was weak and I was tired, and so luckily James was here going 100 miles an hour, and we got the job done, but it did take us 6 or 7 hours to do. So anyway, guys, the first load we got $500. The second load we got $300 for what you saw there, plus the metal. A third of that was probably metal. But yeah, so overall very profitable, but it just took a lot of energy out of me. So anyway, that's gonna wrap this one up. Thanks you so much. Thanks you so much. Thanks so much for tuning in. Thanks so much for being a part of this channel. Take care of yourselves, everybody. Be safe out there. We'll see you at the next clean out. Bye-bye.